Bonjour les étudiants, aujourd'hui nous allons apprendre comment dire l'heure. Today we're learning how to express or to ask for the time and the hours. Now, like in English, we're going to use the verb to be. See how you need to know that verb, je suis, tu es, il est. But of course, we're only going to use it at a third person. Like if I ask you, what time is it? You're going to say it's. And when you say it's, you're using the verb to be at the third person of singular. You're going to do the same thing in French also. You're going to say il est, right? But first, let's begin to learn how to ask the time. Of course, for this lesson, as you see, you're going to need to know your numbers. Especially from 1 to 24, because as we'll learn later, there's two ways. There's the military time or normal time. You can use the two system in Europe. While as a matter of fact, Europeans use more than 24 hours, what you call military time system, okay? So there are two ways to ask the time in French. First way consists in saying, quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Three part. Quelle heure? And then est-il with an hyphen, right? Or you can also use another formula and say quelle heure as-tu? That is more formal and personal, more casual, sorry. Quelle heure avez-vous? That will be more formal. Quelle heure avez-vous? So as you see, this second expression not using to be, but it's using the expression to have, right? Now, the word for hour is heure. It's spelled H-E-U-R-E and it's pronounced heure, 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 right? Now, when you want to say it's 1 o'clock, you're gonna say not un, you're gonna use the feminine of un. This is the only case in French where you have a number that is a feminine. You're gonna say il est une heure. Why? Because the word hour in French is a feminine word, right? Heure, une heure, une heure. Il est une heure, okay? It's 1 o'clock, right? Il est 2 heures. Il est 3 heures. Il est 4 heures. Il est 5 heures. Il est 6 heures, etc., etc. Okay? All right? So that's how we're gonna do that also for that. In English, in English, more British, right? It's 1 o'clock. So instead of saying o'clock, you're gonna say hour, heure in French. Okay, all right. So how do we express the time in minutes, right? Because we can say it's 1 o'clock, il est une heure, but how do you add minutes to that, right? No. To express time from the hour to half of the hour, right? Just state the number of minutes that goes after that. Like if you want to say it's 5:20, you're gonna say il est 5 heures. Don't forget this heure. Il est 5h20, right? You don't even need to say minutes. We know it's minutes, right? Il est 5h20, right? In English, you say it's 5:20. You cannot say in French, il est 5:20. 5:20 doesn't fly at all in French. You have to say il est 5h20, right? You want to say it's 2:16, il est 2h16. Okay, that's how you do that. Of course, like in English, we have special expression for the quarter and the half. So if you want to say it's 3 1/4, right? You're going to say il est 3h15. And don't forget to say the et and 1/4. That's in French. Il est 3h15. Il est 11h15. Écart, right? You see how it's spelled behind me for the 15 minutes. When you reach 30 minutes and the half time, you're gonna say et demi. Don't forget the e, because the word hour, one more time, is a feminine word. That's what you have an e there, right? Demi means half in French, right? So il est 3h30, it's 3:30. Okay, il est 7h30, it's 7:30, right? No. So remember, from the hour to 30, just add the minute. Il est 2h18, right? When you're reaching 30 till 59, what do? Well, there is really two ways to do that, but in French we prefer to subtract from the hour. So to say it's 1:50, we're gonna say it's 2 minus 10. right? So example, if you want to say it's 2:50, you are going to say il est 3 heures, and you say moins 10. Moins means minus 10. Il est 3 heures moins 10. Okay? If it's exactly the quarter, you can say il est 1 heure moins le quart. 1 heure moins le quart, right? Now, when you're expressing the time in normal, in a full sentence, let's say, oh, I will meet you at 5:10. You are going to say, okay, je vais te rencontrer à, you have to use à 5h10. 5h10 for 5:10, okay, all right? If you want to say we take a test at 1 o'clock, you're going to say on passe un examen à 1 heure, right? So like in English using at, you're going to use à with an accent. Don't forget your accent, if not, it's the verb to have, right? Okay, now, when you write the hour in English, let's say it's 3:25, right? You're going to put 3, then semicolon, and then 25. That's not how we do it in French. Instead of the 2 point there, the semicolon here, we're gonna use the letter H, which means hours. So for 3:25, you're gonna write 3 H 25. Okay, all right. That's how it goes for telling the time. Now, it's very important also, there's another rule of linking the number with the O, because our begin with an H, which is a weak H that is not pronounced. It's like it sounds like with a vowel, the sound which is a diphthong, is a vowel sound. So if you want to say it's 2 o'clock, you're going to say il est 2 heures, not 2 heures, 2 heures, because an X, like an S, is pronounced Z when you link it, right? So il est 2 heures. If you want to say it's 9:15, you are going to say il est 9h15, because an F, when you're linking, is pronounced like a V. I know it's strange, right? It's not never pronounced like an F, like 9, which is number 9. If you want to link it with the vowel after that, you're going to use a V sound. Il est 9h, not 9h. 9h, il est 9h15, okay? All right. Let's see now and review the different expression we use in relationship with the time, right? Also a special notice, special warning when you're using the verb to be, right? You do not need to do the liaison, right? So if you want to say it's 11 o'clock, don't say il est 11 heures. Just say il est 11 heures. So is an exception in the rule of linking that I explained to you a few seconds ago. So here is a list of different expressions that are connected with time that you need to study and memorize. If you want to say at what time do we meet, for instance, you're going to say à quelle heure, right? That's the first thing. À quelle heure, right? No, the word for I will meet you in the afternoon, right? In the afternoon is de l'après-midi. Right? If you want to say, I'll meet you at 3:15 p.m., that's what you say in English, p.m. So p.m. becomes in French de l'après-midi. Okay? On se voit à 3h15 de l'après-midi. If it's the morning, you're going to say du matin. If it's on evening, you're going to say du soir, right? Now, some expression now that express you arriving earlier or late. The word for early is en avance, okay? En avance. If you are late, it's en retard. There's a D there, don't say in retard, right? Say en retard, en retard. En avance, early, en retard, late, right? And here is a list of 7 expressions that's connected with time. The word for noon in French, it's midi, right? Which is completely Latin, right? Mi means half and di come from the Latin dies, which means day. So it really means midday, right? So midi is the word for noon. For midnight is minuit, right? Now, if you want to say you're arriving at 7 sharp, just exactly 7 minutes 0 second, you have to say sharp or on the dot, you're going to say pile. Je viens à midi pile. I'm arriving exactly at noon, okay? Now, more expression here. The expression for almost is presque, presque. The word for late is tard, right? In late, arriving in late is en retard, but just the word late is tard, like il est tard, it's late, il est tard, right? If you want to say, oh, it's early to eat right now, il est tôt, tôt, T-O-T with an accent circonflexe. And you want to say, oh, I'll be there around 5-ish, right? You're gonna say vers, V-E-R-S. Je viens vers 5 heures, vers 5 heures. Okay, right? To a sentence here you can see behind me, it's midnight in Paris. Il est minuit à Paris. It's 6 o'clock in the evening in New York. Il est 6 heures du soir à New York. No, let me just teach you to finish there that I told you we use military time. You need to know how to say the time in 24 hours. Like if I tell you, I'll see you at 16 hour, that means 4 p.m. right? Oh, come to eat at 20 hour, à 20 heures, that's 8 p.m. right? So you need after 12, right? You just subtract 12, like 13 is 12 minus 1, that's 1 p.m. right? So 13 heures, 1 o'clock, 14 heures. So train yourself to say 13 heures, 14 heures, 15 heures, 16 heures, 17 heures, 18 heures, 19 heures, 20 heures, 21 heures, 23 heures, 24 heures, that's midnight. Okay, it's 24. Okay, all right? And then you can use also et demi, like 20 heures et demi for half ou 23 heures et quart. Okay, you can still use there. Two sentences behind me there. Le train arrive à 17h06. Means the train arrived at 5:06 p.m. Le film est à 22h37. The film is at 10:37 p.m. And that's it for the hour. So train yourself. We have some exercises or for you now to write. Go on VHL website. There's some exercise to do in connection with the hour and on Canvas. Voilà, c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. Au revoir et à bientôt.